You gotta wait. Go! They gotta wait for it to flat back.
There he goes. Whee! Go, Toot.
Smacked in the beak by the plastic.
Toot, go.
Tootie, run! Tootie, run!
Run, Toot, run.
Push! Push, Toot!
I think I'll still take a picture, but then I saw them all go up the door, taping them going out. Now they just plunge. Go to it!
You're letting them all in with you. Toot was still standing there looking at it.
Yeah, I know.
Well, she was trying to get through and then go, and it would swing back and hit her beak. So she was next to the line right there.
He's a rat.
Yeah, Phil.
Oh.
Gotta go find it.
This fucking bottom one popped too.
Gee.
Something happened. It ain't tight.
Okay. Yeah.
Tootie, push. Push.
Whee! Oh no! Did you see? I got her! I got Ginger. She was...
Here they come. Wally,
I got her! Ginger came.
Here, Wally, you forgot it.
Ginger came. She peeked through the door. I got her on it.
Go. Here, Wally.
Booby!
Get the ball. Here, you want me to throw it out there?
No, Boomer! This is the doggy door, I guess.
Yeah, that's right. You never saw that the other time, did you, Liz?
No, I did not. I was in Minnesota.
They didn't want us to teach Boom how to use it. He was scared.
It's funny. Who's that? Can't get down with. What is it? One. In, dummy, in. Where? You gonna come? Scared cat. Ginger, you gonna go? She's just messing with it now. Gigi. Good. Gay. Oh, Gigi's pissing at it. Tut, you can't even see her face, she's so black. She's so black, Tut. Oh. Ah!
Easy little dog.